Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. I thought I would give y'all a short tour of my latest creation, the Kenworth Aerodyne K100 box truck. Uh, the Tyrone Malone's Kenworth hideout kit without the hideout bed, and a Ford C600 city delivery truck without the Ford. So kind of matched them together. A little bit of kit bashing there. It was a bit of fun, a little frustrating. Uh, Word of caution: when you start thinking that you're getting confident and uh, you're used to doing a lot of things, and you don't need the instructions that much. I had some problems because I didn't look at the instructions quite close enough, and I had to redo a bunch of stuff and do some altering of stuff on the bed because it screwed it up. Uh, One thing I did have to do is that the cab mounts on the frame, this little bitty pegs, uh, broke at one point, and there's really no other way to mount the cab on it. So I got some 1 millimeter copper tube and drilled out a hole right about where the cab mounts go, and ran the tube through the mount, or through the holes, and mounted the cab to that and painted it black so that it would match. Uh, going to make a lot stronger joint than those little plastic molded on things do, and I think that might actually be something you might want to consider when you're if you're building one of these, and is to actually go through and replace the little pegs so that you've got a stronger mount. Because that cab is actually kind of heavy, and it's sitting on a couple of little 1 millimeter or 1.5 millimeter pegs sticking out that are just molded in plastic. So, little thought. And there we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of my latest creation, the Kenworth Aerodyne box truck. Uh, I'm hoping to get things in my life settled down where I can start doing more videos on a more regular basis and on a set schedule, rather than oh, hey, let's go ahead and put one up here real quick and that kind of thing, and kind of a scattershot schedule, as it were, or no schedule at all. Um, so if just kind of bear with me, I'm still getting this whole thing sorted out. I'm all new at it. Um, I hope everybody has a happy and safe Thanksgiving, and a really great weekend. Uh, so until next time, it's Tex signing out.